This question looks easy, and that is exactly why students miss it. Smith's company paid $12,000 for a 2-year subscription and expensed the entire amount. Now it's December 31st, and the exam asks for the adjusting entry. 4 answers look reasonable. 3 are wrong. Let's see how to spot the correct one and avoid the trap. Welcome to Accounting with Yana. Let's break it down together. Smith's company paid $12,000 on June 1st, 2026 for a 2-year subscription and recorded the entire amount as a subscription expense. The question asks, what is the required adjusting entry on December 31st, 2026? Before looking at the answer choices, notice 3 key facts. First, the subscription covers 2 years, which is 24 months. 2. The company already expensed the full $12,000. 3. The question doesn't mention any adjusting entries before December 31st, so we assume none were recorded. At year end, subscription expense is $12,000, and prepaid subscription has a zero balance. The adjusting entry we are looking for is the first and only correction. If you ever want a quick refresher on the rules of debit and credit, I have a short video that walks through the logic step by step. Before doing any math, it is important to draw a simple timeline. A timeline helps you visualize how many months belong in the current year and how many months represent future benefit. This reduces mistakes and makes the adjustment much easier to see. Now let's do the math. The total cost is $12,000 over 24 months, which equals $500 per month. The subscription began on June 1st. From June through December, 7 months have been used. The correct subscription expense for 2026 is $3,500. The books currently show $12,000 in expenses, but the correct amount is only $3,500. The expense is overstated by $8,500. That $8,500 represents the unused portion of the subscription and must be reported as an asset called prepaid expense. If prepaid items like this still feel tricky, I walk through more examples in my prepaid expenses playlist. I am posting the link here and in the description below. Now, let's evaluate the answer choices. Answer choice A, debit subscription expense and credit prepaid subscription for $3,500. Remember that expenses are increased by debit and decreased by credit. Debiting subscription expense increases expense, which is already overstated. So A is incorrect. Answer choice B, debits subscription expense and credits prepaid subscription for $8,500. This also increases expense, so B is incorrect. Answer choice C, debits prepaid subscription and credits subscription expense for $3,500. The direction is correct, but the amount represents the used portion, not the unused portion, so C is incorrect. Answer choice D, debits prepaid subscription and credits subscription expense for $8,500. This entry removes the unused portion from expense and records it as an asset. The correct answer is D. The adjusting entry on December 31st, 2026 is to debit prepaid subscription for $8,500 and credit subscription expense for $8,500. The key takeaway is this. Drawing a timeline helps separate the portion that has been used from the portion that represents future benefit. When a cost provides future benefit and has already been expensed, the adjusting entry removes the unused portion from expense and records it as an asset. This adjustment is a core part of the accounting cycle, and I explain how these entries flow through the financial statements in my accounting cycle playlist. If videos like this help clarify tricky accounting questions, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Building confidence with adjusting entries come from seeing the patterns again and again. Drop a comment below if this question helped something click, and tell me what you want to work through next. I will see you in the next video.